Hello guys, today we are going to build an automatic night light. As the name suggests, this light automatically turns on at night and off during the daytime. This is a very interesting, practical-based electronics project. We will construct the circuit and simultaneously we will clearly understand how this project works step by step. So, let's get started. First of all, we are using an operational amplifier. Op-amp. The basic function of the op-amp in this project is comparison and decision-making. It takes an input signal from the LDR and compares it with a reference value. Based on this comparison, it decides whether the light should turn on or off. Next, we are using an LDR, light-dependent resistor. The main purpose of the LDR is to sense the intensity of light. When light falls on the LDR, its resistance changes. This change in resistance produces a corresponding electrical signal, which is then sent to the operational amplifier.
After that, we are using a potentiometer. With the help of this potentiometer, we can adjust the sensitivity of the circuit. In other words, it allows us to decide how much sunlight intensity should decrease before the light turns on. This is useful because we can set the switching point according to our requirement. Then, we complete all the necessary connections of the circuit. After that, we connect a 10 kilo-ohm resistor. The function of this resistor is to convert the change in light falling on the LDR into a voltage change. This voltage variation is essential because the operational amplifier works by comparing voltage levels. Another major component of this project is the battery. The battery provides a DC voltage supply directly to the operational amplifier, so that the circuit can operate properly. After this, we connect the ground terminal of the battery with all other ground terminals in the circuit, making a common ground. Finally, we connect an LED bulb at the output. This LED helps us easily observe the output of the circuit, whether the light is on or off. Now it's time to observe the result. As I bring the torch closer to the LDR, the light intensity on the LDR increases. Due to this increased light intensity, the signal from the LDR is sent to the operational amplifier. When the light intensity crosses a certain threshold level, which we set using the potentiometer, the operational amplifier changes its output and the LED turns off. As long as the torch remains close to the LDR, the LED stays off. When I move the torch away from the LDR, the light intensity decreases. As soon as the light level falls below the preset threshold, the operational amplifier switches its output and the LED turns on. This behavior clearly demonstrates that, in daylight, high light intensity, the LED remains off. At night, low light intensity, the LED automatically turns on. So, this was our automatic nightlight project. I hope you clearly understood the working principle of today's project and how each component plays its role in the circuit. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting electronics projects.